1.7 million Singaporeans will receive $1 billion in GST vouchers and Medisave top-ups over the next few months. Each person will get up to $300 in GST vouchers and up to $1,250 in Medisave top-ups.
Those who are eligible will be notified by next Friday. The first to receive their benefits will be seniors from the Pioneer and Merdeka generations. They'll get Medisave top-ups next month. Most of the other benefits will be given out in August. And in November, Singaporeans who are eligible for the bicentennial payment will get an additional $300.